Bumblebee Jasper. Bumblebee Jasper, which is actually not a true jasper, is a complex calcium carbonate mineral with inclusions of arsenic and manganese oxides. The banding and layering, which resembles a common bumblebee, is caused by inclusions of sulfur, calcium, aragonite, arpiment, and realgar and pyrite. This mineral was only recently discovered in the 1990s in Papandine volcano, West Java province, Indonesia. Since then, this mineral has yet to be discovered anywhere else on the earth, and geologists don't expect to find another deposit of it anytime soon. This is an extremely rare occurrence in nature that simply does not happen, and it should be cherished, respected, and valued for the true uniqueness it holds. Bumblebee Jasper is a great life talisman that is here to help keep you buzzing throughout your day. Even when negative energies constantly come your way, this stone helps you maintain a positive and upbeat attitude through the daily stresses of life, while encouraging you to continue your own spiritual evolution. So often can the societal stress you have placed upon yourself override and suppress your soul's growth and true potential. This can lead you to eventual sadness and depression as your mind and subconscious become imbued with falsehoods. Bumblebee Jasper will prevent that mindset from infecting you or your aura, and instead will push you closer than ever to finding your life's purposes. Simply by activating and connecting your solar plexus and sacral chakras, you will become more in touch with yourself and understand your deep emotional body. These sacred attributes housed in your lower chakra system are the driving force of what you do and why you do it. You may refer to this as your engine, as your gut houses the most powerful emotions offered in this vein.